The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. I know. How are you guys doing? Pretty good. You guys know that the 12031E check is not something that's mandated for officers to do, right? You guys can simply just respect my right to keep and bear arms.
I do know that.
All right. You guys could also respect my right to be secure in my person and in my effects.
When I drove by, some guy, you and I had never met. I just saw the sidearm and it drew my attention. I just double checked it since I'm already here. I already stopped.
Okay.
So I'm just going to follow through.
Well, just to be clear and for the record, I don't consent to any searches of my person or of my belongings, okay? But if you insist on violating my rights to perform the 12031E inspection, I won't resist your attempts to check, but I'm only allowing it to take place under protest and duress, okay?
Let's get this over with, then we can talk about it, okay? For our safety, we want to make sure that you're unloaded. So I just need you to keep your hands above your waistline.
Okay.
Turn around 1 or 3. Turn face the other direction. Keep your hands well above your waist. Okay, that holster, is that the double lock holster, or how many have difficulty getting that inside arm out? Thank you, my friend.
All right. Hey, I just want to thank you guys for not drawing your firearms on me and treating me like I'm a bad guy or something, all right? Have a nice day.
Viewers and subscribers, this is Seriousskilla again, and I bring this video to show you how easy things can be when you just comply with the law. You know, like a police officer approach you and say, yo, they need to find out who you are or so on. You just comply. You get me? Yes, you might feel a way, but however, you know you don't have anything to hide. I mean, look at this video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, this video shows of a man that had been approached by police officers, and based on what I saw in the video, and to my understanding, it would seem as if the police officers had approached this man because he had a gun. He was armed. You get me? However, in comply with the law, police officers go there, check him, look at the weapon that he have. Simple. You get me? Yes, we know say police officers out there that do a lot of bad things, you know. There are bad police officers and there are good police officers. However, you know, complying with the law is the best way. You know you're right, you know you don't have anything to worry about. So why not just comply? You get what I'm saying to you? Right? You don't have anything to hide. Don't even try and create a scene. You get me? Yeah, just comply and get it over with. Alright, but anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about this video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, and you don't know me, Seriousskilla, they have to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. Until the next time, wanna big up on yourself. You see it.